Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project. Use your smartphone as a smart remote for TV and set-top box, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. The project involves building an Android app and decoding the TV or set-top box remote. It replaces this remote with more functions being added. The key components used here are Node MCU and IR receiver. MIT App Inventor is also used. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.